Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will tell you how to use BLC Media Player. So let's get started. Open BLC Media Player on your computer. You can open it by double-clicking on the desktop icon or searching for BLC in the Start menu and clicking to open the application. To play media files, click on the Media tab at the top right corner of the BLC window. From the drop-down menu, select Open File or Open Folder to browse and select the media you want to play. Once the media starts playing, you will find various playback controls at the bottom of the BLC window. This includes play, pause, stop, volume control, timeline slider, and more for navigating through your media. BLC offers additional features like adjusting playback speed, subtitles, audio tracks, video effects, and equalizer settings. Explore the Playback and Tools menu for these options. BLC also supports streaming, converting media formats, capturing screenshots, and more. Check out the View and Tools menus for these advanced features. And there you have it. BLC Media Player is a powerful and easy to use tool for playing various media formats. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.